Welcome to the iNET Communications User Portal. You will receive your domain information and your login information from your administrator. To access the portal, simply enter your extension as the user ID and your voicemail password. The voicemail password and web portal password are linked, so if you change one, it changes the other. The first tab is the Account tab, where it has your name and where you can change your password. To change your password, simply enter the new password, repeat new password, and select Update Account. The next tab is Call Activity. For call activity, it immediately opens your most recent calls. You can then filter those calls and change the date range. You can filter your call type by all, incoming, outgoing, and missed. Then you can change the date range. You can also change the format to Excel and CSV. Default is where it comes on the screen and not exported to a file. The next tab is the Messages tab. You can download and play messages. You can also select messages and delete or save them. The next tab is the Call Blast tab. The Call Blast tab is where you can manage the ringing on your different phones as well as to a cell phone. The first phone I have on here is a desk phone. The second phone is a soft phone. They're both active. They both ring immediately, so 0 ring delay, and they ring 8 times. To add in a cell phone to ring at the same time as your desk phone, simply put in the number, make sure it's active, 0 ring delay, and I always put 7 or 1 less than my normal rings, so my desk phone voicemail picks up first. On the left you have typical Call Blast example, as well as other Call Blast type examples like simultaneous Call Blast, sequential Call Blast, overlap Call Blast, and international Call Blast. The next tab is the Speed Dial tab. Simply enter a description, a code that you want to dial, and the number dialed. For this example, if I dialed 13 from any of my phones, it would call Bob's cell. Hit Update to apply. You can also press the print button to print off all of your speed dials. The next tab is the Features tab. On the Features tab, you can change your area code for 7-digit dialing. If your email address changes, you can update it here. You can also select whether you'd like to receive voicemail to email as a link or as an attachment. Hit Apply to that section to update it. The next section is Call Handling Options. You have forward all incoming calls, forward all unanswered incoming calls, or forward failover calls. That's the one that's most used. You also have some other general call handling options available to you. Because forward failover calls is the most used, I'll show you how to do it. You simply enter the number that you want to fail over, make sure that it's checked, and hit Apply for that section. The next section is the star key functions and your time zone. The next tab is the Support tab. This is where you can download the video softphone, or the manual for the softphone, or the manual for this portal. The video soft phone is only video to other soft phones in your PBX, but you can dial normal just audio to any numbers. The next tab is the console tab. This is where you can monitor other extensions or export a phone book of the extensions on your PBX. Once it loads, it shows other extensions that you've configured to see and monitor the activity that in real time. I will make a call to show you an example. If they're on the phone, it'll remain on the phone and be green. If they're off the phone, there's no display. Thank you very much for listening to this tutorial, and as always, contact us anytime with questions. Welcome to iNET Communications.